Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Trade by Numbers. I hope you had an amazing weekend. I know I'm ready for the market to be open. Get out here, get trading, get making some money. Now, we've got a lot of news going on in the market this week. We're going to talk about that. We're going to get everything set up and ready. Now, to start with, if you're brand new to the channel, my name is Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. Now, if you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and come on over. Become part of the Discord. Join the Investors Jumpstart program. Not only will you be able to bounce ideas off of me, but we're going to be giving away some cash over there, and you don't want to miss your chance at that. Now, let's talk about the market. We got the S&P 500 down a little over 0.5% this morning, and a good deal of my watch list is in the red right now. Now, why is this going on? Now, we got a lot of news coming out, starting with the CPI report on Wednesday. Now, could we start to have a sell-off, have the market pulling back a little bit coming up to that CPI number, or could we see the market rally over the next couple of days and then see it gets slammed, maybe starting with the CPI numbers? We've been living in an upside down world. Could we get the CPI numbers out and the market rally off of that? I'm not really looking for the CPI numbers to beat, so I'm not expecting that. I'm expecting that pullback. So let's just take a look here real quick. We had a pretty good day in the market. The market was up a little bit. We had the S&P up a little over 0.25%. We had the NASDAQ up over 0.75%. Could we see that market pull back and start setting us up for those CPI numbers coming out? Let me know in the comments whether you believe the CPI numbers are going to exceed expectations, or be less than expectations, should I say. I know I'm not really expecting the CPI numbers to be great. I'm looking for them to pull back a little bit and show that inflation's a little bit stickier. We've had, at least where I'm at, we've had a little bit higher gas prices. We've had some things going up recently. With that going on, could we see that in the numbers from last month? It's possible they could be showing up already. I'm interested to see it. Now, you already know that I picked up some SQQQ calls on Friday. I said I wanted to be ready for this week on that, so we're going to be watching those, see how they're doing. I will say in the pre-market, they're up nicely. Let's take and pull the SQQQ up. We're just a little bit over $31, so we're not in too bad a shape on those at the moment. If we get that to rally on up, then we could see those calls being worth a nice little penny today. Maybe not as much as we would love for them to be, but it depends on how big a rally we get. So I'm going to be watching those real carefully. I'm also going to be watching Coinbase this morning because we actually have, crypto showing red on my Webull. With that being said, we still have Bitcoin up over 28,000. We're at 28,293, which means we're nearly 28,300. If we got just a little bit of a rally in Bitcoin, could we see Coinbase come on up? We've still held above that $59 support level, and we've not moved back up to fill that gap up toward that $75 level. I know there's been a lot of news going on out there about Coinbase, and that's what's kept it suppressed. But could we see a move out of it? I'm going to be watching it and see if we can catch one there. So that's what I'm going to be watching today. As before, if we get a rally in the market, if we see the TQQQ run up, I'm going to use it as an opportunity to buy some puts. I told you I'm buying puts out past the summer. I'm buying the September calls myself, or puts myself. And I'm going to be watching them, see if it gives me an opportunity to pick up some more, because I do think that long term we're going to see this market pull back. I don't think there's much of a chance that the market couldn't pull back from where we're at moving into the summer with all the geopolitical stuff that we have going on. So I know I'm kind of rambling on a lot today. Got a lot on my mind. Got some things to do, but I'm definitely going to be trading the market pretty set for this today. So with that being said, I'm going to hop off here. Join me this afternoon. We'll talk about how it all panned out. We'll see if some of our trades worked out for us. And until then, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.